What are we doing, you ask, guys? Welcome back to Offroad Diaries. We're peeling off vinyl, one of my least favorite things in the whole entire world to do. But if I want to make a little extra money, I have to pull it off and not have my painter do it, because he would not like that. Good news is, job got approved. We got to get some new parts on here. We got to make Dave's car look new again. He's going to throw a little extra money towards this job, and we are going to paint it and make it look absolutely beautiful. But the first part of this job is to get all of this lovely vinyl off. You guys like pulling vinyl off? I don't know nobody that does, except for the people who are getting paid to do it, and they probably don't like doing it either. But that's okay, because my buddy's gonna have a really nice car, and then he'll be happy, and my friends being happy makes me happy. How many of you guys out there are secret haters where you don't want to see your friends be happy? You won't admit it, but I know you're out there. So, got to get all this stuff off. It's going to take forever, but it's hot outside, which is terrible, but at the same time, it's perfect for pulling a wrap off, because the hotter it is, the easier the wrap comes off. Thank God. Have Courtney come in with me a little bit. We'll move over here really quick. I've got a lot of Josh's parts right there, and I've got to get this car in and get started on it. But the first thing I need to do is get my car out of there and get this car in there, because I need to disassemble everything on this car to get it ready for paint. So today we're working on a Maverick R. Freaking wasp. In true Can-Am fashion, ladies and gentlemen, that's right, there's 752 different bolts with different star heads. I've used so far a T10, T15, T20, T25, T30, a H4, 10 millimeter, 8 millimeter. If you want to take a Maverick R apart, so far that's what I'm finding what you need. I promised myself I'd never work on another Can-Am, but this is my friend. It's a good friend of mine. This is David's car, and I just love Dave to death. He's a good buddy of mine, and I just wanted this car to be done the right way, and I wanted it to look good for him. In case you guys are just tuning in and you don't even know who the heck I am, my name's Jonathan, and I like to build cars on the side, and I like to make them look really pretty. And you can only make them look as pretty as the customer's wallet is, but nonetheless, I feel like I price things fairly, and you won't see the outcome on this video, but next week you will see it done, because, well, we got to wait for it to get painted, and that's just the reality. I know I'm looking extra oily. It's because it's super humid outside in Utah, which is the weirdest thing ever. So far, if you guys have been old school subscribers, you know how I feel about Can-Ams, and there's one reason. I'm going to show you why right now. Because the engineers are idiots. Just idiots. You got all this, right, that has to come off. because all this section here, what's up, Courtney? All this section here is one piece. No big deal, right? But then these idiots decided they want to put like freaking iron steel rivets that you have to drill through with a freaking torch gun. It's crazy. So we're gonna pull these trim pieces out. Try to get, I'm only hung up right here. Courtney, this is where we're at. I'll turn the camera off. By the way, I built a lot of Maverick R's power-wise, but we got that one right there. Bam! Courtney helped me figure it out. Because I was like scratching my head because I was like, man, the problem is K&M uses some stuff like this, which is like just a clip that goes in. And then, what is that, just a 10?
Yeah, I'm just going to screw these other ones back in their holes, kid.
That's okay. I don't think half of these things are right. I'm going to talk to David and let him know. David, I'm just recording this for you, buddy, in case you watch the series. Some of these bolts are not like the others. I won't tell nobody but the whole world of YouTube that watches. Did this one come out? Oh, yeah.
We got the bolts.
Look at that. Look at that.
So here's these two. Well, we got to pull that cover off. I think everything's out of that cover. And then I just threaded them chrome screws back in.
Did you take it out? Or did you take the bolts out? Oh, just we're throwing them all there.
I just screwed them back in.
No, I mean, we're just going to organize them off the end. Does it come off? Bam! That's, everybody in life needs them a Courtney. That's what I got me right here. And you can't have him. He's mine. You can get another one that's like him. You can't take mine. All right, guys. So now we just got his front fascia. I know there's 2 bolts there. I don't know what all holds this together. I've tried to record as much as I could. Most of it's time lapse. It's hard when I'm doing this by myself, guys, because I can't hold the camera and tools in my hand at the same time. When Courtney comes and helps me, it gives me the ability to actually show you guys. So, oh, that one's going to be this one. Alright guys, so stuff's loaded up in the truck. I've got to get that car out of there so I can get this car in there, because this car, it's time. We got lots of parts in here. Don't worry, they're not going to get scratched up. My painter puts like 10 layers of clear coat. He really doesn't, but plenty enough. This kid, he just knows everything now at this point. He knows exactly what's in that package and everything.
What you got?
Miles is out here playing in his little pool, trying to bring our grass back to life, guys. It's freaking dying on us. It stinks because it's so dry. Utah people, if you want to have grass,
Want some cookie?
if you want to have grass in the freaking desert, you gotta water it.
Oh yeah, Daddy brought you cookie.
All right, guys. So that's the end of this video for now. I'm pooped. Krista's pooped. Miles is, well, he's pooped his pants. He's got unlimited energy. We're potty training him. And that's as fun as you think it is. And if you're parents, then you know just how fun that is. And Krista's really been the one doing it, and I've just been applauding him when he does do it. So, yeah. Got lots of stuff happening. I'm trying to record as much as I can for you guys. This is pretty cool because it's different than what we usually do. We don't typically do a lot of Maverick R's. I'd like to, but we just don't. Well, other than the rivets. No comment. But anyways, guys, I've said this 10 times. I'm going to say it one more. Have a great morning, day or night, wherever you are. Be kind. And I will see you guys. When will we see him next, babe? On Friday? Friday. I guess Friday. Yeah, see you Friday. Bye.